You might have heard a phenomenon that stocks that have gone higher goes further high and the stocks that have gone lower goes further low. So whatever is going high, how to find out before it goes very high? And that is what we are going to see, and also we are going to see top 5 growth stocks for 2025. Hello everyone, welcome back to Nandu's Equity. William O'Neill is the CANSLIM method inventor, and he has also written a book called How to Make Money in Stocks, and it is a wonderful book to understand growth investing and also the CANSLIM method. CANSLIM method is the best for growth investing. We already had a detailed review on CANSLIM method in a separate video. If you want to refresh, you can go check the video which I have given in the description. Apart from the 7 elements, there are set conditions, like generally they set a clear stop loss. When any growth stock investing goes below 7 to 8% of loss, the growth investors or the CANSLIM method followers will exit. And anything above 20-25% is a very good goal for profit, and sometimes they carry further if there is very strong technical strength. CANSLIM method suggests focused portfolios, and they do not carry for a long time. It is generally few weeks or maximum 2 months to 3 months, and also very specific to 5 focus stocks to 10 max at the max. So it advocates strict profit booking, setting clear stop loss when the market condition is not conducive. Generally, growth investors following the CANSLIM method will not do any trade. I'll give the query in the comment section, and it definitely changes every day when you enter, because the RSI changes for many stocks, but some of the elements will be same. So this will be same, like we are focusing on EPS and profit growth more. The first 3 lines is about EPS latest quarter compared to the last quarter, and the latest quarter compared to last year same quarter, and last year and previous year. And then we are also checking about profit growth and EPS growth for the last 3 years and 5 years. That is one. And then of course this again changes, you can always optimize that, how much percentage the FI and DA in holding. So generally we go for 10 to 20 at least, the FI and DA should be holding. And then RSI, this is what it is like when you start with the query 30. So generally we can go for 40, 50 RSI, and from 40 to 80 level is a very good level where it is going to break out growth stock. And then market capitalization you can set to 5,000 because you don't want to buy anything smaller than 5,000 crore, and of course ROE, ROCE more than 20. So when you try this query itself, you get a lot of companies, 42 growth companies actually. This itself gives you solid growth companies for the day of query, because it's again changes. The RSI changes next day itself. Like for example, if I try 40 or 45, we get a very good filter. So like this, you can try multiple options, and this query can be live, and you can keep optimizing this whenever you want to check for growth stocks, every time when you want to buy. But solid growth stocks you can easily get with this query. The first company we are going to see is CAMS Services, Computer Asset Management Services, which is the largest registrar and transfer agent for mutual funds with a market share of 69%, and it is having most of the AUMs under its umbrella, and it is very close to its all-time high of 5,367. Currently available at 5,200 levels, and we can't see the fundamentals by number except that the earning per share, ROE, ROCE matters, which is really good for this particular stock for CANSLIM method growth investing. The next growth stock that we are going to talk about is BLS International. If you are holding a passport and applied for visa, you should be definitely aware of this company, and this is kind of providing all the visa and consular services, which is having about 80+%, like 83% in the recent time about its market share, and working for more than 46 government clients. So which is currently not having a great EPS, but of course having a good ROE, ROC, and definitely growing quite faster like for last 5 to 10 years time frame, and which is kind of available cheaper, however very close to its all-time high of 490. The next company is LTIMindtree. You may be already knowing very well about Mindtree that has been taken over and merged with L&T Infotech, and having a very strong backing of L&T Group, and of course a strong focus on digital transformation, niche in specific industries like healthcare, banking, finance, insurance and retail, and of course having a very strong global footprint, and of course known for culture of innovation. And this is something having a very good EPS, ROE and ROCE, and the way it has been growing for the last 5+ years is phenomenal. So this is our third growth stock in the CANSLIM method. The next growth company is KFin Technologies. Again, you may be knowing very well about this company because each and every transactions from origination and processing of your mutual funds, SIPs, almost all of those are done by KFin Tech platforms, and of course it has a lot of private retirement schemes in Malaysia, Philippines and Hong Kong, which is beyond India. And of course this is a market leader and having a market share of 46+%, and almost 25 out of 46 AMCs India are their key clients and going through KFin. So this is a very clear growth stock with a very strong monopoly. The last stock in our growth investing through CANSLIM method is Motilal Oswal, currently available closer to 1000, almost closer to its all-time high, and of course having a very strong EPS, ROE, ROCE, and also the PE ratio is quite lucrative, available quite good, and also PEG ratio is less than 1, greater than 0, which is kind of indicating a very clear entry level. And of course compared to all other stocks, this is much available cheaper and very well known for client services, like it is having about 16 lakh customers under its umbrella, and it is very well known for long-term investing principles, and also having a lot of mutual funds under its arm. So very good growth stock in the list. A word of caution on growth investing, which follows strict entry, exit and profit booking, and also stop loss criteria, and it is really not meant for long-term investing, and this is not for buy and forget investors like CANSLIM method, which is coming under high risk high reward category of investing. And of course none of these stocks I am recommending to buy or sell. Thanks for watching. Hope this video is useful to you. If so, please click the like button. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Thank you.